Let's face facts. If you happen to have a business of some sort, doesn't matter what it is, when we are the owner of a business, the end all be all of why we do what we do is to generate income, number one, because that income is ultimately what enables us to do what we do, whatever that might be. And if you happen to have a flower business of some sort, or you're a professional florist, possibly a retail storefront, studio designer, flower farmer, maybe an event company, whatever niche you happen to fall in within the floral industry, we need to generate that income. Ultimately, why we do what we do as professional florists is, number one, we love flowers and or plants. We love being able to work with flowers and plants and really utilize them as our medium for our chosen art form of floral design, garden design, interior plantscaping, anything like that. That is truly what we love to do. But if we are operating a business doing this, we've got to make sure that we are bringing in enough income to financially be able to do that and operate a viable business. After all, if we aren't bringing enough money in and we aren't continually working at growing our business, really what we're doing is just a very expensive hobby. So, the trick is how to get that income coming in. That's today's topic. Hey everybody, I'm designer Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and in today's topic, we're really getting down to the nitty-gritty of how to bring income into your business. Now, how much you need in the way of income for your business is going to be different for everybody, depending on where your business happens to be. And you have to take that into consideration when you are generating your business plan, which everybody needs to be looking at periodically and reevaluating if you are on track with your business plan. But bringing in that money, and maybe you are in a situation where you need to be able to generate a lot more customers and bring in additional income for your business quickly. Now, as small business owners, florists specifically, a lot of the time, if you get into talking about this topic with anybody else in the industry or even outside the industry, oftentimes you'll hear a lot of people say, you just have to have the right website with the right company, or you have to have this done to your website, or you have to put these kinds of things on your website. A lot of florists put the main emphasis of their business, what their business is, on their website. They expect the website to generate and bring in all, if not at least the bulk of their business. When you're a business owner and you are a professional florist or anybody working within the floral industry, yes, we know a website is a necessity. It is very much the calling card for your business. Now, here again, you might have heard people say, oh, you just need to pay more money for advertising or to do ads on Google or ads on Facebook or ads on Instagram, etc. Doing paid ads, believe it or not, is part of your overall marketing strategy. You don't necessarily need to do paid ads all the time. You don't need to focus and put all of your eggs in one basket and only do paid advertising. If you are trying to get your business to grow and you need more customers, I have heard from many long-established businesses within the floral industry that are not doing as much business as they would like. And Whether you are established or you're brand new or just getting started, when you're trying to grow and you're trying to get more customers, the end all be all is getting people to know you exist. If you haven't gotten the word out so that people do know you exist, it's really hard to get your business to grow. Now, I have another video that I'm going to share in the cards up above where I really talk about branding your business and figuring out who your ideal client is or ideal customer is. That speaks a lot to how you need to determine who you want your customers to be, because ultimately we can't be all things to all people. The more specialized and specific we can get as to what we do actually enables us to target our market and figure out exactly who we want to feed our marketing content to directly. Then the question is, what is marketing? Well, marketing encompasses a lot of different things. Your website, in many ways, is part of how you market the products and services you provide, etc. Social media is part of your overall marketing strategy. Any paid advertising is part of your marketing strategy. Email marketing is, again, part of your marketing strategy. All of these different components fall under the umbrella of your overall marketing strategy. So being able to share your content that you create, that is how we are doing our digital or content marketing, sharing our information with the people that we want to serve. One mistake I see a lot of florists do with their marketing is they try to market their business or promote their business to anybody and everybody online, anywhere in the world that they happen to be, but they forget to focus on their immediate demographic, the people that are immediately around where their business happens to be located. The people in your immediate community is first and foremost who you need to focus on. They're going to be the bulk of your customer base. So when you are creating your content for your digital marketing strategy, that's the information and the content about the things you want to promote. If you're having a special weekly or monthly promotional that you want to share, or just general information about your business, or information and education about the products and services that you provide, you're doing that by means of your social media platforms, email marketing, the information that you're putting in your blog posts on your website, etc. If you've heard the phrase digital or content marketing, doing that work is actually what you are doing. You are doing digital marketing or content marketing. It's targeting that information to the right people with the right offer to get them to bite and to consume your information and ultimately place that order online or give you a call. So for all of we professional florists out there, we are pretty good with the flowers and creating beautiful things with the product that we use for our floral design, for our plantscaping, etc. That part we're really good at. So because you are that good at that aspect of your business, that can free up a little more time to focus more time and energy on your marketing strategy, which ultimately is what's going to help your business to grow. Once people know you're there, it's a whole lot easier to get your business to grow. But when they don't know you exist, it makes it really hard. So, with that in mind, I've got another video over here that I think you should check out next to really help you start determining how to create a good marketing strategy with a really select target. If you like content like this, definitely give my video a thumbs up. That really helps me out, because ultimately, if you give this video a thumbs up, that helps the algorithm here on YouTube know that people are interested in this kind of content for their business, and they're more likely to share it with more people. If you would like to be notified when I do upload new content for you, definitely hit the subscribe button down below and then hit that bell button next to it. That way you'll get the notifications when I do upload new content for you. So, until I see you in the next video over here, be thinking about how you are going to craft your targeted marketing strategy to get those ideal customers coming to your business. So until next time, be well. We'll see you soon.